In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can play on Rainbet when you're accessing from the United Kingdom. As you can see, I get this message, sorry, Rainbet isn't available in your region. And that is because officially, Rainbet does not have a license to operate in the UK. However, there is a workaround. So to do this, we are going to be using a VPN, which is a program that allows you to change your location online. So click on the link in the description. It's going to take you to NordVPN, which is a VPN we are going to download and use to change our online location. And NordVPN is also actually one of the only VPNs which is working with this website right now. Once you got NordVPN set up and installed, you want to open it right here. And as you can see right now, I'm connected to the United Kingdom. And what we want to do is connect to a country where Rainbet is available. And my favorite country for that in Europe is called Romania. So simply type in Romania right here and then click connect. And now it should connect to Romania right here, as you can see. Well, now we have an IP address in Bucharest. Then what I like to do is open up a new tab and then type in buyingasol.com/Rainbet or go to the link down in the description. And this is then going to bring you back to Rainbet. From here, we then need to verify. And now, as you can see, we are brought back to the site without the pop-up. So now Rainbet thinks we're accessing from Romania. Then from here, you can simply register and create your account. So let me show you how you would do that. Okay, I now successfully log into my account, and then in order to play, we can deposit money by going to wallet. And here, as you can see, you can deposit with any crypto or with these payment methods right here, banking. And also, if you have any winnings, you can withdraw it using crypto or these payment methods as well. And then you can scroll down and play any of the games available on the site. I will leave all the resources down below in the description. If this helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.